How Cat6 cables are made. First, copper rods are drawn into thin wires. Insulated. Cooled. And inspected, creating perfect single conductors. Next, we twist pairs of these wires together in precise spirals. This twisting fights interference. Then, all 4 twisted pairs get cabled together around a cross-shaped separator. That's what gives Cat6 its structure. After that, we add the tough outer jacket. Cool it down. And run quality checks along the production line. Finally, package. Upon passing final inspection, the cables are approved for warehousing. Subscribe to TRYNEW, your one-stop renovation material supplier.